Rating my fidgets. Part 1.
Circular disc thingy.
Very poppy. 5/10.
Infinite cube.
Has a ton of clicks.
Fold.
8/10. Loud tube. Stretchy and loud.
Three of 10.
Pushing water heart. Thingamabob.
So satisfying.
Shake, shake, shake.
10 of 10.
Cute kitty.
Squishy and cute.
Their kitty.
10/10. No question, tilde.
Crack sizzle wacky track thingy.
Twisty and bendy.
So sizzly.
7 of 10.
Dice popper thing.
1 to 3 for 5.
Need I say anything else about this?
Mega poppy.
9/10.
Jail things.
You are under arrest.
If you don't subscribe and like the video before my bestie breaks out of jail.
Wow, you did it.
I knew I could count on you.
10/10 because you subscribed. Slap wrist thing.
That must have hurt. 1 of 10. Dino roar.
Such silent pops.
Not that entertaining, TBH. I know. Look for somewhere. Here. That
You
will keep
found
you
it.
entertained.
That's great. Let's continue.
Squishy kitty.
It's so pretty and cute.
10 of 10. Colored circle sphere balls.
What else describes them?
10 of 10.
Moki cat.
It's so squishy and adorable.
Poke poke.
10/10.
Spinner disc.
I am speed.
7/10. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Remember to eat your vegetables.